In yesterday morning's market preview, I predicted a frowny-faced day for the stock market, and major market indices were slightly lower as the bell rang. But it wasn't long before optimism took over, fueled by the banking sector, as bank stocks led the charge. Bank of America led the Dow. Also on the plus side of the ledger, we find Citigroup and Goldman Sachs. Earnings season is winding down right now. Reporting later this week, we have Macy's, Walmart, Penny's, and Costco. And in Europe, earlier losses were also overcome as European indices ended higher. The Dow Industrial Average adds 0.75% as the Nasdaq tacks on 0.2%. The dollar is up against the euro and up against the yen. Oil loses 89 cents a barrel. Gasoline futures increase 2 cents. Local gas stays the same. Gold drops $9.20 an ounce, and winners, they're beating losers at the New York Stock Exchange nearly 2 to 1. Well, let's hope for even better today as I take a look at overnight futures trading, both for the S&P and for the Nasdaq. Then we check in with overseas markets. We look at Europe and Asia, and all that mixed together. This morning's opening bell forecast looks like that. For the rest of the story, join me tonight on News 13's Live at 5.